Hello, welcome to Tech Easy. Good morning to everyone. Today in this video, I'll try to explain very easily, very simply that how you can use Google Translate in conversation mode. So I have downloaded Google Translate app on my mobile. This is the home screen what you will see. So before going any further, please do hit a like. All that I want from you is to hit a like. So on the home interface, to have the conversation mode, first you need to set two languages, what you are going to speak and which language you are going to learn. For example, I know English. See here, I'll tap on English and I want to learn Spanish, just for the example tutorial purpose. And now when you set the two language, at the bottom left you will see something like conversation. So you need to tap on this. Okay, when you tap on this, whatever you speak in English, it will be automatically converted to Spanish.
Está bien. Cuando tocas esto, lo que sea que hables en inglés, se convertirá automáticamente a español.
Okay, for 1 minute, I want to explain you. So, when you click on this conversation mode, whatever you speak in English, that will be converted into the Spanish. And at the end of the Spanish words, there is a audio symbol. So you can tap on that audio symbol, and now it will pronounce it for you, so that you can get to learn that language. I will try once more. How are you today?
¿Cómo estás hoy?
I want to pick you up by 7 p.m.
Quiero recogerte a las 7 de la tarde.
Are you coming to office tomorrow? See here, I need to tap on this audio symbol.
¿Vendrás a la oficina mañana?
So, without just after the Spanish conversation is over, it automatically records your voice. It will allow you to speak something in English, so that you can get to know the language translation in another language. Likewise, you can shift between any languages available here. So I hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day, and please do share this video to your friends and family.